As part of efforts to strengthen health services in Nigeria, the federal government is set to pay the sum of $10 million as contribution to the Global Fund in 2017. The Minister of Health, Professor Isaac Adewale, said this during a budget defense before the House of Representatives Committee on Health, where he explained the benefit of the payment to Nigeria.
Between 2014, 2015 and 2016, Nigeria made commitment to pay $10 million every year to Global Fund. We did not pay a dollar. But Mr. President graciously agreed that for 2017 we should pay $10 million. And we are pleading that they should write off the commitment of the past. So in this budget, we have $10 million equivalent as a contribution to Global Fund. The benefit to us will be huge. Over 3 years, if we pay this $10 million and fulfill some other commitments, which I only got to know yesterday, this country will benefit up to $600 million over 3 years from Global Fund. Then we also needed to make provision for Northeast. You will see a provision there for